Today's walk is near the tiny village of Tremeirchion, just 3 miles from my hometown of Dinbych in North Wales. Well, hello, blwyddyn newydd da I chi I gyd. Happy New Year to you all. Yes, it's the new year. This is the first day of the new year. And so this is my first walk of the new year. The day is sunny but cloudy, not too cold at all, a little bit rainy at times. And I don't think the vision is too grand. Visibility is a bit hazy. But hey, it's better than sitting in the house, isn't it? We're at a place called Panagraig, which means top of the crag. And this place used to be a limestone quarry. And once upon a time it also had limestone kilns here. No doubt we'll see those at the end of the run. But first, let's get to the top and see what we can see. As you can see, a graig is a nature reserve, with plants such as the rock rose growing here. You can also find glowworms, and butterflies such as the gatekeeper, the meadow brown and orange tip, as well as birds like ravens, bullfinches and yellowhammers. The weather around here has been quite rough this winter, with high winds causing damage to many trees, including some in the woods here. So here we are at last at the top of a very windy Panagraig. And you know, despite the heat haze and the low visibility, the views are still quite special. Yeah, let me find a space down there without trees and I'll show you around. Over here looks pretty good. We're now descending to the bottom of Y Graig, where we will see the quarry face. In the 1870s, this whole hill was turned into a production facility to produce stone, lime and bricks to construct just one house. A manor house called Nant Llys Hall, which is situated just half a mile away from this spot. Here, I found some new friends. And this one is particularly friendly. I think I'll call her Henrietta. And here it is, the quarry from which they built Nant Llys Hall. Behind us, beneath this mound, is a surviving lime kiln from the period. I see my friends are still with me. These kilns were used to burn limestone to produce lime for making cement and plaster. And here is the lime kiln itself. Just look at that arched entrance. And the fire grate is still clearly visible. Oh, and some chickens. So there we go. Bye bye lime kiln and chickens. And this path pretty much takes us to the beginning again, full circle, where we can join the road. So that was Panagraig. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me and hope to see you next time. Until then, Rhyl.